Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga to wake up. Let's begin. Let's sit down nice and tall and relax. Inhale to lengthen your spine. And exhale to twist your upper body from belly button to the crown. Inhale and exhale. Soften your shoulders. Inhale, exhale for 3. Inhale, exhale, and slowly shifting your regular breath to ujjayi breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. After 5 breaths or so, inhale, exhale, look straight, come back to center. Let's switch your legs. And inhale, lengthen, create space between each vertebra. And exhale from belly button to the top, twist. And shoulders, don't creep up tension in the shoulder. And use exhale to release. Inhale, reach crown to the sky. Exhale, soften your shoulders, soften your chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. A lot of air and exhale, release. Exhale, everything empty. And inhale, look straight. Exhale, release. Now let's take tabletop pose. Knees underneath your hips, wrist underneath your shoulders. And let's do cat and cow pose. Inhale, cow pose. And exhale, cat pose. Inhale, lengthen your spine. And exhale, roll, elongate your spine. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, navel to the spine. Inhale, widen your collarbones. Exhale, tuck your chin. Inhale, crown reach into the sky. And exhale, press your palms down. Inhale, tailbone toward the ceiling. And exhale, tuck your tailbone in. One more. Inhale, gaze up. Energy up. And exhale, release everything. Roll your back. And back to neutral center. Okay? Knees wide open about your mat distance. Toes touch, sit on your heels. And reach your fingertips far, far, far away forward. Inhale, exhale, forehead down on the mat. Take Balasana, child pose. Widen your finger, palms pressing down firmly. Shift your hips to the heels. Chest, elbow close to the mat. Just stay there to breathe. Now, let's take very fast downward facing dog. Feel free to little visit around. Pedal your feet if you need to stretch your calves. And maybe shift the hips to the side. And maybe release tension from your neck. Sway your head to the side. And when you're ready, inhale, right leg up toward the sky. Reach, reach. And exhale, step between your hands. Back, knee, back, toes down. And inhale, open your fingertips wide. And open your chest. Look toward the sky to get a lot of sun rays. Sternum up, shoulders down, shoulder blades connected. And now back to center. Now from here, use your left hand to press your right knee and right hands on your hip and twist your upper body. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to a little bit revolve. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist. Continue, inhale. Exhale, keep your hips square, inhale. And exhale. Very good. Now, tuck your toes, or if it's too much on the ankle and toes, so you can keep back leg flat. Flat or tuck, up to you. It's your choice. Okay. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, soften your chest, forward bend. Continue inhale to lengthen. Exhale to little chest close to your knee. Inhale, exhale, and keep flexing your toes. Inhale, exhale. And slowly bring your upper body up. Okay. Now, I want you to turn back leg this way, 90-degree angle. And we're gonna do half stand warrior 2, Virabhadrasana B. And let's check your arm, shoulder, one line. And gaze to the side. And inhale, exhale for 1, 2. Crowning chin toward the sky. Open your hips, open your chest, awakening your body, awakening your mind. Fingertips reaching forward and backward. Energy going both ways. Extend yourself. And now relax. Now, left hand, left palm on the ground. Okay, extend your right knee and inhale, lift up your hip. So supported side plank pose. Okay, you can keep your gaze maybe toward the sky. Inhale, exhale for 1. And if you're looking up toward the sky, make sure forehead higher than your chin to keep neck aligned. Inhale, press your back heel down. Open your chest. And now relax. Let's take plank pose. And shifting back to downward. Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step between. From here, back knee, back toe straight. And inhale, extend your arm, expand your fingers. Gaze toward the sky. Get lots of sun rays. Shoulders soft. Breathe. Keep your hips square. Extend your fingers. And now relax. Run and stretch, tuck or keep your back toe straight either way. And shift your hips to the heel. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Create space between each vertebra. And exhale, forward, forward, fold. Inhale to lengthen spine to the tailbone. And exhale, soften your chest. Inhale to lengthen, create space. And exhale to go a little deeper on the bend. Inhale. Flex your toes. Exhale. Relax your shoulders. Inhale. Exhale, relax your chest. Inhale. Get a lot of air to awaken your body and exhale. Now shift your hips back to center. Turn your knee this way. Inhale, half warrior. Make sure energy extend both sides this way, that way. Crown toward the sky. Use your core to support posture. Shoulder blades together. Feel strength in your back. Open your hips. And keep breathing. Your spine erect toward the sky. Now, right hand on the mat. Extend your left knee. Inhale and gaze up toward the sky. Half side plank pose. Check your forehead higher than chin. Finger reach to the sky. Shoulder blades together. Keep your chest open. Widen your collarbones. Outer edge of your back foot heel. Pressing down very strong and firm. Hips lifting up to the sky. Waist lifting up toward the ceiling. Awakening each part of your body and cell. And next exhale, relax. And hands together, heart center. Namaste. This sequence is designed to awaken your body and mind. I recommend you include it with your morning routine. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future episodes. See you soon!